Ballers! Drive by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car!
We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Green means go!
Mr. Fontaine is a genius.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How'd I get so bad? I thought this was family's turn.
Yeah, it's Temple Drive family. We don't roll with them no more.
Ah!
Move it, C. Shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up.
Keep up, motherfucker! You just a liability, CJ.
What? I think my knob.
Why you bother coming back?
Straight back into the game, right, dog?
My way, yeah?
Wasn't this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
And I'm not in the mood for this.
You pushing me over the edge here.